And then they gave me a little headband. This is so cute. Bring it back now. Hey y'all, welcome back to another week of Dapper Don. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Dorothy. It is very nice to meet you. You already know what to do. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Today's video, what are we gonna get into? We're gonna get into some hair. I got some hair from Beauty Forever, and y'all, the last time I purchased wigs, I got really scammed. So I saw this online, saw that it was really good reviews, so I was like, okay, we're gonna try it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it. Okay. And I ordered this, I'm pretty sure I ordered this like this week, and it's here this week. So at least we know shipping's good and fast. Packaging. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's the back. That's the front. And focus a little bit. And then it gives you good instructions on the back. So in case like this is your first wig or you're not really sure how to take care of it, there you go. So okay. Oh, okay, so you got the wig, of course, the hair itself. And then they gave me a little headband. This is so cute. Ooh, okay. And they gave me like these little nail wraps. There we go. Some nail wraps. I should use those because my nails are really bad right now. But, oh, and then a little tracking thing. So we're gonna pull out the hair now. So as y'all can see, this is the hair straight out of the box. So we're gonna take it right out. And the other day, I told my friend Val, it was her birthday, and she had this, or she has on this really pretty hair. And I was like, girl, you done inspired me. Wow, look at that, y'all. This is like fresh out of the bag. I was like, you inspired me to get some human hair, long, black, or, well, this is natural color, but girl, you done made me do it. So let me get up close to show y'all the cap. That's what we're looking like. I'll probably cut that off, and then this is the lace. Let me put it against my skin. That's pretty impressive. It said that it came pre-plucked, so we're about to see once I actually try it on. Looking at it, I think it could be plucked some more. Will I pluck it? I don't know. But that's the hair, y'all. This hair feels of quality. I'm so glad I didn't get scammed this time. So now we're about to put on a wig cap and try it on. And wow, see how it's just going straight through? This is some quality weave. So I'll be ordering from y'all again. And y'all know that TikTok, I don't know, it was some TikTok that said whenever you order, I think it was specifically for AliExpress, but whenever you order, tell them like, oh, hey, I'm an influencer and I want to do a review on your company or this specific hair, because then they're more likely to send you, like, to make sure that they send you their quality hair. That's what I did, and I think we was done right. All right, let me stop playing around. Take that off. You know, we're gonna put this right on. And y'all already know how I feel now that I cut off all my hair. Putting on wigs is so easy. It's the easiest thing ever. Of course, I got my non-slip grip from the Wig Fix, the Ren Natural. I feel like you can't really see that. Wow, there we go. That's a bit better, but got that on, and we're about to see. I love it. Okay, this is really pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I wish I would have put on another shirt so you can see. But that is the hair, folks. Now, right now, well, I need to hide my wig band, non-slip band a little bit, but this is straight on, and it's like almost 10 o'clock at night right now, so I'm not gonna install it. I don't have a reason to install it, but I just wanted to try it on. Tomorrow morning I think I'm gonna install it, but let me get closer so y'all can see. I want to say this was like 18 or 20 inches. So it's not as long as I would want, but we had a ball on a budget right now. But overall, I can see that it was plucked pretty good here. I don't think I would want it any wider. Now, here's where we're gonna have to put in some work, but after playing with the hair a little bit, I would say my only complaint is that they said it was pre-plucked. Girl, this ain't pre-plucked. That is not pre-plucked. I know that I can bleach the knots myself. That's something that I've done before, except last time I kind of bleached the hair a little bit. So I will probably just bleach it, but with a lower volume, and just watch it religiously just to make sure I don't see it turning colors. But that is the hair, y'all. When I come back, which will probably be tomorrow morning, when I come back, you're gonna see me install it. It's not going to be the best, absolute best. I think I'm going to stick with it being a middle part, so because I don't really have that much time to pluck the sides right now. But in the morning when I come back, you will see me install this bad gal. I have this bad habit of putting on a wig but not taking care of my hair under, so I'm gonna just put in some Can2. And my mirror's right here, so if you see me looking over here, that's what I'm doing. Putting a little bit of peppermint oil. And some sheen. And now we're just gonna brush it out. Like I said, I'm not gonna be wearing the edges out today, so I'm not gonna be too pressed about having it plucked. I'll just be wearing it in the middle part to where it's down on the side so you won't see it, and where I'm at it's not windy, so we're good. Now we're just about to cut it into threes, or into three. And then I'm gonna get to installing. And this is a super easy, quick install with Got2B. I don't like to wear my wigs for days at a time, so I just use that to make my life really easy. So that's one. One, two, three. We got our Got2B. Ooh, I'm nervous. Let me lift this up. So I'm just spraying it down. Now I'm taking my blow dryer. Now we're about to do this side. That I have it glued down, I'm gonna just cut it out. And I haven't installed a wig for real in a minute, so I am a little out of shape. Don't judge me too hard. Here we go. Okay. So there's my lace. And when I have more time one day, I'm gonna go like all the way in, or as best as I can. But today, it's gonna have to. So I went back in and I trimmed down the lace a little bit more so so that it's like right here. I think will look our absolute best once we thin out the hairline and then add some baby hairs. But for right now, I'm just gonna put on some makeup so I can look cuter. And it's gonna be a real simple look, nothing too crazy, nothing wild. And of course, we're gonna start off with our primer, all that good stuff. And now I'm gonna put it in time lapse. Is still setting, so it might kind of like stick to my face, but this is the hair, y'all. Let me turn around. For, like I said, we're gonna keep it like this so you don't really see much of the unplucked hairline, but I like it. I feel pretty. So this is going to be the end of this video. I will see y'all in the next. In the meantime, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend about me. And I will see y'all in the next video.
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.